baby, hang on.
Way to go, guys.
In for me there, Paul. Good strategy calls. I do my best can for you on restarts and everything else. Starting to rain, Tim?
Yeah, looks good, Tyler.
All the jets and all the Titans, once you return home, we'll go ahead and fill up.
We'll drop the green down. Let's go. Others don't know how that happened.
I don't know how you could.
Okay.
78, got a problem, right?
What happened there?
78 appeared to have a right. Only option here is to try to win the race, but still at your door. Keep coming. 22's closing quick here. Inside.
They're rated at 1. I know you're not going to believe it, but it really did. I'm getting a few drops up here, too. Still down there.
Checking up on the top. They're spinning on the top.
Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down, get down. That was a cluster right there. He did a nice job, though, missing all that stuff.
I see off of turn 1 and halfway down Long Pond.
Start complaining. Start complaining.
First laps, and take a look at this. The caution has come out.
They're thinking about red flag.
Tear up some brackets here.
Let it rain. Do your brain dance, Bubba. They're going to let.
Sure is your winner at Pocono.